Hello, Pascal.
How are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for giving me this testimony here at the Biar Castle in La Verune in Languedoc. It is an installation that we made a little over 12 years ago, and it took us 8 years to renovate this 12th century castle. And with the renovation that has been done recently, we respected all the standards. We did everything to ensure that this castle was truly ecological and certified. We are classified as a plus on the type of heat emitter. If you can share this in order to have a cleaner world, I will be the happiest. That's because I made this invention precisely for that. Tell us about your comfort. What do your customers say?
I think today we are breaking records. In the rooms, it always remains very pleasant, very comfortable without using air conditioning, which would be too aggressive. So we have very pleasant and comfortable comfort, and that is pleasant for everyone.
Today it was 40 degrees. How much was 24?
Yes, 24 degrees. We are at 24 degrees in the room, so that is very good.
Without noise, without air movement, 24 degrees while it is 40 degrees outside. You should know that the walls are not insulated because the walls are made of stone. So lowering by 24 degrees, you see that it is incredible, my client testifies. What do you think about comfort in winter?
I think it's still incredible. The heat is exactly what we want, well distributed throughout the room, so we don't have any areas hotter than others. In the area, we have a constant homogeneity, and it's super pleasant.
At 460 meters high, the building is not even insulated apart from the ceilings. The ground is at 21 degrees temperature. On the south facade, we also installed heated walls on this part. It comes down to the same thing as we work by radiation. The ground is also hot. When you get into the bathtub or bathroom, it's absolute comfort.
Of course it's comfort, because when you enter a bathroom, the temperature is pleasant. The bathtub here is at the head of the bed, and there, guests immediately enter the baths in another very pleasant temperature, 22 degrees to 23 degrees. We stabilize everything at 22 degrees because in winter it's a correct temperature.
22 degrees is good.
It's very comfortable. Everywhere we have the same temperature, so the atmosphere and feeling is always the same.
Moreover, on your Facebook page, you had a lot of positive comments regarding the cooling mode and the heating mode. It surprised me the number of customer satisfactions, even from foreigners who said that comfort like that was not possible. I've never seen this in summer mode or in winter mode, and for me as an inventor, it's gratifying.
At the same time, we must educate our guests because we have Americans who use air conditioning too much. So we support them in the process. After 2 days, everyone understood, and everyone is living the lifestyle needed in a castle like that, with cooling or heating through your system. So well done.
I thank you for this testimony. It is truly a pleasure to have accompanied you on the project, because it is a project that was close to my heart, and that is why I did not give up. Comfortable, economical, ecological. Welcome to IDEAL-THERM.